In question 13, we're given Ali buys a pack of 12 cards for £10.49 and Jack buys 12 stickers and each sticker is 99 pence, and we have to work out how much more Jack paid. So how much more Jack paid for his stickers. Now with this word more, we need to look for minus, subtract and take away. So our first step is to work out how much it costs for 12 stickers at 99 pence each. So our first step is to work out 12 times 99. Now there's two ways of doing this. Now let's do this using the grid method. So let's draw our grid and put a times there. And let's split this 12 up, or partition it into 10 and 2. And this 99, we can partition it or split it up into 90 and 9. Right, with this question, it's 90 times 10. And we know the rule for multiplying a whole number by 10. What you do is you write this number down, 90, and you simply add a 0. So 90 times 10 is 900. And 90 times 2. What we can do is hide this 0. So we work out 9 times 2. And that is 18. And then we bring this 0 back. So we have 90 times 2 is 180. Now moving on to the next column. 9 times 10. So we write this number down. And because we're multiplying by 10, we simply add a 0. And then finally it's 9 times 2, which is 18. Now what we do is we carefully add these four numbers. So let's do a column addition here. 900, 180. You have to be careful which columns you put them into. 90. And finally 18. And we simply add them together. So if we look down the first column, 0, add 0, add 0 is 0, add 8 is 8. Now if you look down this column, we can make this calculation easy. We can do 9, add 1, which is 10. And then we add this 8, which makes it 18. Put the 8 down, carry the 1 over to the next column. Now the final column, 9 add 1 is 10, plus the 1 we've carried over makes it 11. So we put 1 here and carry the 1 over to the next column. And we can put it straight down because we've finished. And that is our number. Now because we're dealing with money, we have to have 2 decimal places. So what we do is we count back from here. 1, 2. So this is our number, 11.88. And because it's money, it's £11.88. So we can see Jack paid more than Ali. But how much more? So what we do is we do a subtraction. So let's rub this out. And let's write £11.88 here. And £10.49 here. and we're simply going to subtract the 2. So you have 8 take away 9. We can't do, we've not got enough there. So we go to the neighbour and we borrow 1. So this 8, we cross it out and it becomes a 7. And the one we've borrowed turns this 8 into an 18. So now we have 18 take away 9, which is 9. 7 take away 4, which is 3. And we carefully line up the decimal point, and we have 1 take away 0, which is 1. And finally we have 1 take away 1, which is nothing, and we can leave that. So our answer is 1.39. And again, because it's money, it's £1.39. Now we can do that in column multiplication as well. So let's write that down. 12 times 99. So what we're going to have to do is do 9 times 2 and then 9 times 1. Then we move on to the next digit, 9 times 2 and 9 times 1. So let's go ahead and do that. 9 times 2 is 18. We put the 8 down and we carry the 1 over to the next column. Then we do 9 times 1, this calculation. 9 times 1 is 9, plus the 1 we've carried over makes it 10. So we put the 0 in this column and we carry the 1 over to the next column. So we've finished with that 9. Now we move on to this 9. So what I'll do is I'll rub off these marks to make it easy. Now because we moved on to the next column, we put a 0 helper here, a placeholder. So what we do is we do 9 times 2 is 18. We put the 8 down and we carry the 1 over to the next column. Then we do 9 times 1, which is 9, plus this 1 we've carried over is 10. So we put the 0 down and carry the 1 over to the next column, and we can put it straight down because we've finished. Now we simply add these two numbers. So 8 add 0 is 8. 0 add 8 is 8. 1 add 0 is 1. And there's nothing there. Nothing add 1 is 1. So this is our number. And because it's money, what we do is we count back 2 places. 1, 2, and we put the decimal point there. So our answer is 11.88. And because it's money, it's going to be £11.88. With question 14, we're told for every 3 seeds planted, only 2 seeds grew. So let me do that. So we plant 1 seed, 2 seeds, and 3 seeds. And this one grew, and this one grew. And this one got eaten by a little bug, so that didn't grow. So for every 3 seeds, 1, 2, 3, only 2 seeds grew into flowers. Now altogether, 12 seeds grew. So we had 12 of these seeds growing altogether. The question is, how many seeds did Amina plant? What we'll do is we'll plant another 3. 1, 2, 3. And these 2 are going to grow. And this isn't going to grow. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 seeds that have grown. And we want 12. So let's plant another 3 seeds. 1, 2, 3. And these 2 seeds are going to grow. and this seed isn't going to grow. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 seeds, but we want 12 seeds. So let's grow another 3 seeds. 1, 2, 3, and these 2 grow. And this one doesn't grow. So now we have 2, 4, 6, 8 seeds, but we want 12. So let's keep going. Let's grow another 3 seeds. 1, 2, 3, and these 2 will grow, and this seed will not grow. And now we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and we need 12 seeds, so we need 2 more seeds to grow. So let's plant another 3. 1, 2, 3, and these 2 seeds will grow, and this seed will not grow. So now in total we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 seeds that have grown. Now we need to find out how many seeds did Amina plant. So let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we can do our 3 times table. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So we know 18 seeds were planted, and we know 12 seeds grew.